Have a look at this nice post grid. This looks normal, and you must have implemented it on a lot of sites. But here is a catch. When you click on this Read More button, instead of opening the post on a new page, it opens up a modal pop-up. There can be a lot of use cases for this. For example, there might be a requirement where you want to display some further details in a quick view window. Like in this example of the team members section, it is actually a grid of custom post type, team. Basic info about each team member is displayed in the grid, and when I click on this No More link, it further displays detailed information in a quick view pop-up. In this video, I will show you how to create this with Elementor, along with a couple of our other plugins. Let's have a quick overview of the process which we will be following in this video. First, we'll design a layout for the content inside this pop-up window. Then, we will create another layout for how this individual post looks in this post grid. And finally wrapping all this to set up this page. Now let's head towards these processes one by one. Navigate to your admin dashboard, click on AE Template, and Add New. Give a name to the template. Then, we need to do some simple configurations under the Anywhere Elementor settings. Select render mode as block layout and a preview post. Data from this post will be used as a preview while you are inside Elementor editor. Publish this template, then edit in Elementor, and use appropriate widgets to get post content. You can use widgets provided by Anywhere Elementor Pro, or use Elementor's native widgets with dynamic content functionality. Let's add some of the widgets to structure the single post layout. Post image, post title, you can also display content from custom fields and taxonomies. Update the changes. To display the post grid, I will be using Post Blocks widget from Anywhere Elementor Pro. This requires another block layout to render individual post structures. Here, we'll be designing the block layout, keeping in mind how the Post Block widget will render an individual post. I am talking about the layout of this particular individual block. Let's create a new AE template and do the same configurations as we did earlier. In Elementor Editor, add post image, title, and other relevant data. Then create a Read More pop-up button using the EAE Modal Popup widget. Under the content type, select AE Template. You can also choose a saved section, or a page that you have created. Enable the preview option to get a preview of the pop-up window in Elementor Editor. Next, select the AE template that we have created above. Configure the modal window settings, like width and height. Next, under the display settings, there are settings to style the button. Now let's head over to the Style tab to give some styling. Update the changes. Now let's edit the page in Elementor. And use the AE Post Blocks Advanced widget. Under the Layout section, set the display style, like grid, carousel, or accordion. Then select the block layout we created to render the post blocks. There are more advanced configuration settings available for the layout styling. In the Queries section, select the source from where you want to display posts. You can also display posts from current archives to create an archive layout. Next, you can configure pagination and overlay settings. Publish the page. Let's have a look at the final output generated. Clicking on the No More button will open an attractive pop-up window for you. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that it was helpful in some way, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, as we're always posting more tutorials.